We'll guide you through how to reduce alarm volume on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. So perhaps you're finding the alarm sound is just too loud. Perhaps you're finding it waking up other people and not just yourself. Perhaps you live in a shared house or something like that. And so you want to go reduce the volume just so it's quieter and it hopefully will just wake you up instead of everybody. We're going to guide you through this step by step. So make sure it's full guide and we're going to guide you through how this can be done. So if we come into the clock app, of course, you can then come to the bottom and select alarms and you can see them here. You can then go and choose the alarm you want to go and have on. For example, let's say I wanted this one on, you can go and switch it on. If I go and tap on it, you can go and choose things like the sound. But if you go and tap on the sound, there's no volume here. You just go and choose the sound like so. But what we can do is still go and lower it. So make sure you've got it set to your liking, like so. So it's going to go off at 5. Now what we can do is we can come out of the clock app. We actually need to come into the settings on our iPhone. So you can go and find settings like so, and you want to go and open it up. Now in here, we can go and change the volume. So you don't go to the clock settings, don't worry. What you need to do is go down and you need to go and find the option for sounds and haptics. And you can come into here and you want to come down to ringtone and alerts. So you're going to go and find that this is the volume that the alarm goes and uses. It's important to note that when we go and adjust this, that this does go and affect things like your phone calls as well as other volume alerts. So do consider that. So let's say I want to make it quite a lot quieter, but every time you adjust it, it will then go and give you the new volume. So just to a sound that's going to work good for you. For me, I'm going to go and try this. And then of course you can just do a test. So now we can come and return to the clock, come back to alarms, and then you can go and press sound and choose the sound. And you can then go and hear how it's going to go and sound. Decide if that can be too quiet for you. Of course, you don't want to miss your alarm beat by it being too quiet. For me, that's going to be a good balance. And so that's it. I'll press the back button and press the tick, and that's now going to be the volume of it. That's it. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.